everyone and welcome back to Teacup Tarot. In today's video, we are going to be looking into what your legacy is going to be. Now, legacy can be different things to different people. For some, it can be money, for others, it can be possessions. But for me personally, the way I see it is, of course, money, your possessions, but it is also how you are remembered in life. So, that is exactly what we are going to be looking into today. We're going to be looking into how you'll be remembered as, what you leave behind in the memories of people once you leave from this lifetime. So, as usual, you have 3 piles in front of you. Please make sure to pick one that really speaks to you, and then we'll start with the very first one, pile 1. Hello, and if you have picked pile 1, then this is your legacy. This is how you will be remembered as once you move on from this lifetime. So for you, pile 1, what I see is, in this lifetime, after you pass away, you will leave a legacy of having lived life on your own terms and having lived authentically. Like your life will be like a masterpiece. It will be a life of beauty. Like what will happen is, even when you are alive and even after, your life will be looked upon by people like larger than life. That is what I feel for you. Also, in terms of material possessions, I do believe in this lifetime you will accumulate quite a lot. So this could be property, this could be wealth, this could be jewelry, but materially as well, you will leave behind quite a lot for your kids or for whoever comes after you for them to enjoy. So that is the kind of legacy you will leave, but you'll also leave a legacy of family. What it is like to really care for a group of people and care about them well. You will also leave a legacy where even people who don't know you that well will sort of, be like, oh, this was a good person. This was a good person. It was a privilege to know this person. Because that is the kind of legacy that I see you, leaving behind. Also, you will be remembered as a person who owned everything, owned every decision they took, owned everything till the very end. For you, you'll be remembered as somebody who was extremely powerful, but who also knew how to use that power. Like for you, you'll be remembered as somebody, even though they were in a position of power, they did not ever misuse it. Like I mentioned to you, you will always be remembered as somebody who treated everybody well, really well. They say, in the end, it's all about, how you leave a person, and you will be remembered as a person who always left the other person feeling so much better about themselves. So that is exactly how you will be remembered. For you, especially when it comes to people you work with, they will remember you as somebody who is very particular about their word. You would be a person who will be remembered as somebody, if you committed on something, you will really stick by it 100%. Like you were somebody who they could rely on when it comes to sharing their emotions. Like they could trust that, if they shared something with you, if they shared a problem with you, there would be a solution. Like you will go to any extent to help them out. And you were just an honest person who believed in other people, but who also believed in themselves. That is how you will be remembered. Yet you will be remembered as somebody who was bold, who was not afraid to take a stand for themselves, and who was in fact not afraid to take a stand for other people if you felt like, they were being oppressed or they were being denied their rights. Especially for people who were beneath you in society, who were financially not as good for you, or people who were just being treated unfairly. They could rely on you to sort of, fight their battle. You were sort of a champion for their cause, and that is how you will be remembered. I'll tell you this, after you pass from this world, one of your legacy is going to be people from various walks of life coming together to celebrate your life. So that is exactly the kind of life you will be living. And that's a beautiful life, isn't it? When people actually come out and say, this person, this did to me, which made me feel good. That's a beautiful life. That's really a beautiful life. Also, for you, pile one, you will be remembered as somebody who was creative. In fact, in a very funny way. For a couple of people, they will also remember you for the way you dressed, like your own unique way of dressing. Like the way you lived, the way you dressed, the way you showed up was unlike anybody else. There was this unique touch of yours that nobody could ever fill up. So, what's going to happen is, see, we work in various situations, we come across a lot of people, but the kind of impact you will leave on people, like nobody will be able to replicate it. So, that is kind of an impact you will have on people in this lifetime, and of course, you will be remembered for it time and again. But also, this is, a little bit of an artistic ability that you may have. Maybe this could be something that you did hand drawn, hand drawn letters, or you could have drawn something for people, but there was just this personal touch to everything you did. Maybe even a gift that you ever gave away. Maybe that you put a lot of thought behind it, and the other person who was on the receiving end of that gift really understood that. They really knew that everything you did for them came from your heart. And it was a unique thing, something that nobody else ever did for them. And that is exactly how you will be remembered. Again, you'll also be remembered as somebody who is very responsible. Somebody who always looked out for other people, especially if you have siblings, especially if you have your family. They will remember you as somebody who took care of them, who took care of their emotions. Like you will be remembered as a person who sat with them, especially through their difficult times, and tried to help them out, really tried to listen to what they have to say, and then when they were ready, gave them solutions. So you would be remembered as somebody they could always turn to for advice, for that hug, for that support, and very responsible. Like probably, you may take up a lot of financial responsibilities, maybe for your family, or maybe for people who did not have somebody to look back upon. Also, I don't know if you are into it right now, but if you do social service, if you do voluntary service, you will be remembered as somebody who did that, somebody who did good for not only their own family, not only for their own group, but also society at large. Like community work, you will be remembered for that as well. Yeah. And also you will be remembered as somebody who gave unconditionally. Like I mentioned before, you will be somebody who will treat people equally, no matter what they could give back to you. And you'll be remembered as exactly that, somebody who served with an open heart, somebody who gave with an open heart. To the extent of a fault, you could be in your lifetime be called a person who had too much of an open heart, and maybe who did not know when to hold back. But that is exactly what you'll be remembered as, somebody who gave with an open hand, who did not worry what remained with him, but who just gave when the other person was in need. That is how you'll be remembered as. And again, you'll be remembered as somebody who would, not like conflict so much. Like probably you would be a person who would shy away from conflict, and sometimes at the cost of their own beliefs is also what I see. Where you felt like in your lifetime, like maybe, if I take a step back here, maybe the other person will sort of, be in a better mind state. That is something I see your thought process being at. But again, you will be somebody who will be sort of looked upon as a non-confrontationally, who never really fought with anybody, who always seeked to bring harmony into their surroundings, somebody who brought harmony into people, somebody who played a mediator between two people who are fighting. Like probably you will be in your lifetime doing a lot of work where you sort of mend relationships, where you mend broken people. When people were broken, you would be the person they could turn to, and that is what they'll remember about you always. But again, you will be remembered for your beautiful nature, for your beautiful heart that was so pure, was almost childlike in a way. The heart of a child is never one which has malice, was never one where, you have that negative shades. You'll always be remembered as somebody who had an exceptionally loving nature, somebody who left the other person feeling so much better. You'll always leave the other person feeling nurtured, and that is what you will be remembered as. People who, especially your family, your close loved ones, will always remember you as somebody who made them feel like they are cherished. Yeah, and your heart will always be remembered as one which was very, very pure. And also, what you'll be remembered as, maybe if you have pets, or maybe if you care for pets, you'll always be remembered as somebody who could connect with those beings, who could connect with everybody, in fact. Like pretty selfless, you will be sort of remembered for the selfless nature. But again, somebody who was exceptionally powerful and who did not have to make noise to be powerful. Probably you'll also be remembered as somebody who never tried to steal the limelight, yet the limelight was always on you, no matter what. So that is the way you'll be remembered as a person who was loved. I will tell you, in this lifetime, you will be tremendously loved. Till the moment you pass from this world, you will be a person who people will love, especially your closed ones. Because your heart is so pure, you're a very giving soul, and that is exactly how you will be remembered even when you pass from this earth. I say it's going to be a life beautifully lived because you've lived authentically and you've lived from your heart. Beautiful, Pile 1. Your legacy is going to be one of beauty. I leave you here. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected Pile 2, then this is your legacy. This is what you will be remembered for in this lifetime. So the way I see it, Pile 2, you will be remembered honestly as somebody who lived an authentic life. Somebody who was not afraid to be themselves, somebody who was not afraid to voice their emotions, voice what they felt, even if the other person did not agree with what you had to say. You will always be remembered as somebody that people could look up to for truth. Like if somebody really wanted to have an honest opinion about something, they knew they could come to you. You will be remembered as somebody who did not have a lot of pretense about themselves. Like you'd never really pretended to be something you're not. You always presented yourself as the authentic self, and you always brought forth honesty in the other person as well, and that is exactly how you'll be remembered. Again, you'll always be remembered as somebody who sort of went against the grain. Like if your family is going in a particular direction, if your friends are heading in a particular direction, you could be trusted that you will be a person who went the other way. And what's going to happen is, after you pass away, people will be like, I wish I lived like her. I wish I had the courage to live like her or him. That is exactly how you will leave the world. So that is going to be a legacy. I say this is amazing. Somebody who's fiercely independent is how you'll be remembered as. And somebody who had a very unique perspective. Very unique way of looking at things. Very creative way of looking at things. That is what I see. But again, you'll be remembered as somebody who is exceptionally wise. Like people will remember you, okay, at this point of time when I was really in a lot of trouble or I could not see sense, this person made me understand things. And this person, helped me solve a lot of problems in my life. So that is exactly how you'll be remembered. But there'll also be other people who'll remember you as an absolute angel. Somebody who enveloped them with love, kindness, and just the best that you had to offer. Like you will be remembered as somebody, if, for example, if there's a child, if the child fell down, then this child will remember you as somebody, this time I fell down and nobody really paid attention to me, but this person made me feel so much better about myself. And this person really took care of me when I was down and out. So that is the way you'll be remembered, Beautifully, I really see this as. You'll also be remembered as somebody who had a very kind heart. Even if you may come across on the surface as somebody who was, authentic, somebody who was in badass, but you'll also be remembered as somebody who had a very kind heart, who always had something loving to share. Especially when people were down and out, you would be the people they would have turned to in their lifetime. Somebody who is very compassionate, somebody who is very, very kind, especially when somebody else was down and out. You'll be remembered for your kindness and not your criticism. Yeah. But again, you'll be remembered as somebody who made people laugh. Like, people will remember you as, oh, remember that time when I went out with this person, I had an amazing time. And the reason I had an amazing time, because I did not have to pretend that everything was okay with this person. That I could just be myself and this person would accept me no matter what. So that is how people will remember you as. Yeah? You always made people laugh. You left people feeling so much better than the way they were feeling. People will remember you as somebody they could be their authentic self with as well. Again, for some people, they remember you as somebody that they learned a great deal from. Like I said, you'll be remembered as somebody who is very wise. But also, you'll be remembered as a teacher. And this doesn't always have to be a teacher, a school teacher, or a university teacher, but somebody they could rely on for life's lessons. Probably in your life, you could have nieces, you could have nephews, you could have grandchildren who will look up to you for advice. And you'll just have the most loving advice to give, and that is exactly how you'll be remembered as. People felt cherished with you. People felt loved with you. People will feel understood with you in this lifetime. Yeah? And then that is what you'll be remembered for. The sense I get here is, as you grow older, you'll probably deal with a lot of younger people. Like, younger people will sit with you, you'll probably tell them stories, and the stories will make them wiser. Especially for young children, you'll really be remembered as a mentor by them. Yeah? And again, you'll be remembered as somebody who was very, very pure hearted. Like, your heart was pure. Even though for you, the way I envision it, your personality can be very fierce. You probably say whatever it is that comes on your mind, but your heart is pure. And understand this, only a person who has an absolutely pure heart can say what is in their heart and on their mind. They can just convey it completely. So you'll be remembered for that. Somebody who came from their heart. Somebody who did not really manipulate things. That is how you'll be remembered as. Somebody who was just pure and beautiful. And somebody who just was all about love. Sometimes fierce love, sometimes tough love, but love is how you'll be remembered as. But other people will also remember you as somebody who is slightly guarded. See, what I see is, for you, some people will sort of look at you as, oh, I never really understood this person. Like, this person sort of kept me at an arm's length always. So I don't really know this person. For some people, you'll be remembered as that as always. But for people who really, really knew you, they'll be like, this person is one of the best person I had the opportunity to know. Yeah? So you'll be also remembered by some people as somebody who just had a shield. Somebody who did not let them in beyond a point. That is also going to be how you'll be remembered in this lifetime. Yeah? But again, you will be remembered as somebody who lived in a way that they wanted. Somebody who owned every decision they took. Somebody who lived a life that was without regrets. A leader. You'll just be remembered as somebody who's exceptionally strong. And you will not only be a source of strength in your own life, but you will be a source of strength in other people's life as well. Like, probably in your lifetime, you'll support a lot of people and you may not even realize that you're supporting people. And you'll just do it because that comes naturally to you. It is your compassionate heart that sort of will drive you towards living this life. So what I see for you, Paintu, you live a very heart-based life. Like, whatever you want to do, you will do in this lifetime. And which is why you'll be remembered as exactly that. Somebody who just lived authentically and was not afraid to live that way. Your wisdom will be remembered. Your ability to make people laugh will be remembered. But what will be remembered most is when people were down and out, you were the person they could turn to. That is how you'll be remembered. Like, what I see is you lived a life of a queen or a king. You only did what you wanted to do. You only did what was right. And that is how you'll be remembered. somebody who just lived right. That is what I see for you. And that's a beautiful legacy to have. Anytime a person has lived an authentic life, like what else do you need? What else do you need? All our readings that we do every week, it just tells us to do that, isn't it? To live our authentic lives. And that is what you'll do, because that is your legacy. So, no matter where you are in your life, pile 2, know that in this lifetime, always make sure to take actions that you are driven to take, especially when you're very young. I don't know which age you're watching me as, but just rely on yourself, because whatever you do will work and people will remember you for exactly that. So if you're unsure right now, this is me telling you that you're doing exactly what is right for you and your life. Keep doing it, because you'll be remembered in a glorious way. Your legacy is glorious. I'll leave you here. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hello, and if you've selected pile 3, then this is your legacy, and this is how you are going to be remembered as pile 3. Now, firstly, I have to say this: pile 3, you will be remembered as somebody who was just a beautiful person inside out. Like the way you lived, the way you dressed, the way you showed up in people's life, it is just that of an angel. Like people will actually remember you as their angel. Somebody who did good for them, somebody who was good to them, somebody who took care of them when they were down and out. But for others, they'll also remember you for a certain aspect of your life. I see this relating to your work. Like whatever work that you do in this lifetime, you'll be remembered for that. Yeah. And also, what I see is, the way you lived your life, you'll be remembered for that in a way. Like, probably your lifestyle will be very, very unique to you. Like, it was very different from what other people were used to. That is what I see. See, what I see for you, pile 3, is you'll be remembered in two ways. One is by people who know you really well, and for others, they'll be like, I don't know, I never really understood this person because this person never opened up to me. Yeah, so there'll be two sides. One will be of people who love you, people who you loved, and others will be like people who you probably were just acquainted with and just briefly knew. Yeah, but you'll be remembered for your talents. That is what I see. But you'll just be remembered as somebody who was very unique, who lived uniquely, and who just was so beautiful. So you've lived a beautiful life, pile 3. Also, for you, pile 3, you will be remembered as somebody who was very independent, somebody who had their own mind, somebody who made their own decisions, somebody who was not reliant on other people to support them or their decisions. Like, you will be remembered as somebody, even though people disagreed with you, even though people did not agree with their choices, they still respected you, and that is exactly how you will be remembered. But again, you'll be remembered as somebody who was very gentle and somebody who was yet very strong in their own way. Yeah, somebody who really took care of people who they care about and really went all the way out to do everything in their power to make people around them happy. You'll be remembered for a caring heart, but you'll also be remembered for your mind. Like, probably in this lifetime, you are very intelligent, either book smart or just the knowledge that you have. You'll be remembered for that. Your career area is coming out very strongly, so you'll be doing great things, yeah, in your life. That is what I see. But again, you'll be remembered as a safe place to go. Like, probably people will remember you as somebody who was there for them when others were not. You'll be remembered as a problem solver, somebody they could always approach and knew you would be there for them 100% to help. Like, you will be remembered in some instances as that rock solid place where, they knew they could trust on you. They knew they could rely on you even if other people failed them. Yeah? And you'll also be remembered as members of the society, members of your community. So maybe in the later half of your life, you'll also do a lot of community work. Somebody who did something for the society, that is how you'll be remembered as. Somebody who cared for people who did not have as much as you did, that is how you'll be remembered as. You cherished people, you made people feel like they are wanted, like they are important. That is what you'll be remembered as. People will remember you as somebody who made them feel like they mattered, their voice mattered. That's I think you're doing great things in this lifetime, pile 3. You'll be remembered as somebody who was benevolent, somebody who was, open with their hearts, open with money. You always had a kind word to share. You had a very compassionate heart. But for you, pile 3, what I also see is when it comes to somebody else, when it comes to somebody else's talent, like you recognized it. You recognized it even at a time where the other person did not recognize it. Yeah, and you'll also be remembered as somebody who encouraged people to be their best, who encouraged people to do their best, who encouraged people to show up as their authentic best. Yeah, but you'll always be remembered as somebody who is very kind, an angel. That is what I get for you. You'll also be remembered as somebody who brought sweetness to other people's life by their kind words, by your kind actions. That is how you'll be remembered. But again, you'll be remembered as somebody who's exceptionally hardworking. Like what I see for you, I see a lot of community work for you in this lifetime. So if you're doing it right now, let me know. Or even later in your life, you'll be associated with a group of people. And you'll do a lot for this group of people, is what I see. You'll be remembered for that. But again, you'll also be remembered as somebody who brought calm into other people's life. Like if somebody is going through difficulty, you will be that person they could reach out to, and you'll help them solve their problems. And people will remember, when this happened in my life, this person really came through for me when nobody else did. Yeah. But again, your opinions, your thoughts, your belief may also be remembered as very balanced. Like people in this lifetime are pile 3 going to rely you on a lot. Yeah, so be prepared for this loan in this lifetime. Like no matter what, you will be a person who is very, very stable. Even though sometimes people change around you, or even though sometimes people behave in a way which is not right, you could be trusted for doing the right thing, and that is something people will remember you for. You always did the right thing even when the other person did not treat you right. And especially people who did not treat you right will sort of remember you as this. I think you're living a good life, pile 3. Honest. You'll be remembered as somebody who's very honest. But this is a kind of an honesty. This is not that abrupt on your face even if you don't like it kind of an honesty. The way you'll be remembered as the way you conveyed things were just in a way that the other person could understand it, and in a way which did not hurt the other person's feelings. That is what I see. But you'll also be remembered as somebody who lived in a way that was honest. Like every action that you took was based on integrity, honesty. That is how you'll be remembered as. But again, somebody who is very fierce when it comes to their own beliefs. But also somebody who is not afraid to take a stand for other people. Members of community work is something that is coming through. See, for you, you're going to be a very loving being in this lifetime, but sometimes that is also tough love. You show tough love to people, and some people will actually remember you for that. Yeah? But again, whatever it is that you did, it always came from a good place. It always came from a place where you wanted the other person to understand something. You wanted them to have a good life for themselves, and maybe which is why you sort of gave that tough love out sometimes as well. That is also coming forth. Yeah? Sometimes you'll also be remembered as somebody who was so selfless, like you never put yourself first. You always put the other people first in your life. People will remember you for that. Especially your children, especially your family will remember you as that. Somebody who just gave and only gave. Yeah? And you'll be remembered as somebody who just had wisdom to share all their life. The way I see this is, especially with the card, This is like you will have lot of tales to tell in this lifetime. I'll tell you, pile 3, you're living a rich life, a life full of rich experiences. Probably in your personal life right now, you'll sort of undergo a lot of ups and downs, but these ups and downs will later become stories for the next generation to know and learn from. So what will happen for you, pile 3, is your life will become a source of wisdom for other people, and people will remember you for that. Yeah, again, like I said, when people were down and out, or people needed help, or people needed support, they could turn to you, and you'll always just tell them the right thing that was necessary for them to hear at this point of time. You lived a full life. You've lived a full life, a rich life, a life full of love is what I see you living. And that is how you'll be remembered as. You lived a full life. You gave freely. But you'll also receive a lot of love in this lifetime, pile 3. From a lot of people, sometimes even people who do not know you well. But you'll receive a lot of love. And love is your legacy. That is what you leave. And isn't that the best thing ever? Love. Love is all there is in the world. And you're leaving the world with that. Love. Beautiful legacy. Beautiful pile 3. I'll leave you here. I'll see you in my next one.